Hello everyone. This is Stfx Trading Floor, and this is another new week. Monday was quite a slow one, but quite busy as well. But this week we'll discuss on some few things, especially based on the outlook or what we're expecting this week. Number one, you can check on Monday. We didn't have much yesterday. The market just moved on smoothly, even with all the trade that we had, except USD CAD, which is still on a downward spiral. Another case we want to discuss this week is quite busy, especially on fundamental part. Especially if you check on today, at least on yesterday and today, Tuesday, we don't have much. But starting tomorrow on Wednesday, we say that these are some of the fundamental economic factors that may affect the price abruptly or in a big way. And we said one of the key things is the interest rate decisions. You have to note starting 2020, during the COVID, most of the countries or most of the major economies, what they did is they did lower the interest rate to almost flat zero. And what has been happening after the economic recovery is what they are doing is just increasing the interest rate. And we say that interest rate or the rate decisions is one of the key factors that change the market. Apart from another case like talk of the CPI, the non-farm payroll, like what we had last Friday, now it is passed behind us, and now the week can roll. You can check like on Wednesday, we have the rate decision, at least from this from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. You can check they are basically kind of now, most of the interest rates are at their optimum, especially from the major economies. If you check from this point, except from Japan, all the others, they are at their maximum. So I don't think they will not be experiencing more of the interest rate decisions, because now most of the economies, though they have problems, they are just recovering slowly. So tomorrow it is good we check on the New Zealand dollar and all the crosses and the majors and how they can affect the market. This is one of the biggest we are experiencing. And of course, nowadays, the consumer price index in the New York session. This is one of the key things. And what actually is happening is that CPI is directly affects the interest rate decision directly. So that's why nowadays the CPI or the consumer price index, it is affecting the US dollar in a big way, big way. So tomorrow during the New York session, we have the CPI. In the Eastern session or during the Tokyo session, we have the New Zealand changes. Don't forget, you also have the CAD or the Canadian dollar rate statement. So Wednesday is quite a busy day for the dollar, for the New Zealand dollar, and of course for the Canadian dollar. Those three. It is key to note because it's quite a big thing. Then let not forget, we also have on Thursday another PPI of the producer price index. It is also, especially during the New York session, it's affecting the market in a big way once again. Producer price index, it is key, keep check on that. So the US dollar is tomorrow and Thursday. And then on Friday, we may have less volatility for the New Zealand dollar because of the bank holiday. So the bank holiday, one of the key things you may experience is what we call the abnormal volatility in the market, especially for the affected currency or the crosses. And of course, maybe low liquidity. So that is it. And then we have the euro. And at least Wednesday and Thursday, you need to notice at least US dollar Wednesday and Thursday is key. Then not forget the New Zealand dollar rate statement and the CAD monetary policy statement. It's just one and the same thing. Those are the key things you need to note. And because so we are expecting a free for market. Like yesterday, we had a very good short order on the AUD and on the NZD JPY. They were very good short orders and AUD and ZDD. It's only that our USD CAD is still has not responded to what we had predicted. But you can check, we also crossed on some profits. And don't forget, you also deal with synthetic indices or these indices, and you also follow price action. Like yesterday, we had one shot and it's already in good profits because this is where we do all our trades. You can check here, we had this one and RB100 or the Rage Break 100 solid in good profits. This RB100 or Rage Break 100, it's only this one that has not responded, but all the other Saudi and ZDD sell, Audi JPY and ZDJPY said this one, they went in our direction. These are for last week. This is for this week. Now we start moving on. So we also, these are VIP signals. We have our main channel where we discuss everything. That is where we discuss and most of the trades and some of the main tips of the market. So you want to be part of us, this is where you will find us. This is where you find us. This is where we do everything on Stfx trading flow. And from that, I don't think I have anything else. Those are key links. So note Wednesday, that is tomorrow and Thursday, those fundamental and news that will be coming up, so that you don't make any mistake. So that is it. Join us and make sure you will always earn as you learn. Thank you again. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as you watch the other videos that are there. They are quite great. Okay, thank you.